Embody, don't exhaust. What if the strongest proof of your message isn't how hard you work, but how faithfully you live? Many leaders feel an invisible pressure to prove themselves, pressure to prove their ideas, pressure to prove they deserve to be heard. So they work longer, they push harder, they carry more, believing that exhaustion somehow validates their purpose. But a message loses credibility when the messenger is constantly depleted. Because people are influenced as much by how you live as by what you say. Your life is your first leadership message long before you speak. People notice your presence. People notice your peace. People notice your integrity. People notice your relationships. People notice your rhythms. When your life reflects your values, you no longer need to convince people. Your example quietly does the work. The goal is not to perform your message, is to become your message. Point for today. You weren't called to run and chase, to wear your truth like a frantic race. The power lies in how you be, not in relentless urgency. When you align with what you say, your presence leads a brighter way. No need to prove, no need to strain. Your life itself must hold the frame. Think about the people who have inspired you most. Their influence wasn't built only through words. It was built through consistency. The way they treated people, the way they carried themselves, the way they lived when no one was watching. Their message became believable because their lives reflected it. Leadership reaches its greatest strength when there's no gap between what we teach and how we live. That kind of authenticity cannot be manufactured. It is embodied, and it quietly invites others to do the same. Here are 3 ways to embody your message. First, identify one value you speak about often. Ask yourself how you can intentionally live that value today. Second, notice one praise where you've been trying to prove yourself through overwork. Replace striving with faithful stewardship. But ask yourself, if no one ever heard me speak, what would my life teach? Let that question become today's guide. The world does not need a leader who is exhausted from proving their message. It needs a leader whose life quietly reflects their message. Live what you believe, protect your peace, honor your values. Lead boldly, inspire deeply, impact globally.